Hey, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager and 4X UTurn, and today is May the 3rd, 2012, and we're going to take a quick look at these setups here. So basically, we had our 3 o'clock open right here, okay, and we broke through the resistance, and it gave us a buy fake right here, okay. Went up a whole 13 pips and turned and went the other way, okay. Came down, gave us a sell trade after it broke through support. Gave us a whole 20 pips, okay? So, well, you would have got 1-to-1 on that one, okay? But you would have lost in the first one. Now, our next trade setup was in the US session, other than selling rallies on the way down here, which never really went down, but, well, it did, but it quickly went back up. It did not turn blue till way up here. There was no trade on here. It was what you call a quick reversal, a too far, too fast deal. If you did buy the first dip here, well, since your common sense told you to take your profits right at that high, because sure enough, it made a double top and went the other way. Okay, that's it for the euro and the 5-minute. Let's take a quick look on the 1-minute now, and we'll scroll back to the 9 o'clock time. Okay, so basically, no, wrong one, wrong tool. Okay. We had some very strong resistance there, okay? So, came up, okay, never broke through it, just ran, well, broke through it, but never pulled back into the line. So there was no trade here, okay? Because the resistance, there was too much serious resistance in the way. There was no sell here, okay, because the filter was black. And also I want to point out that I'm still getting people emailing me and saying, Jason, there's red and blue in the bottom of the filter, and is it screwed up? It's not screwed up. I already said this to many people. I don't know if you guys are just, pulling out 4XPipSnager again, and you had it collecting dust somewhere, and you didn't listen to this on the video or whatever, but there was a new update on MetaTrader, okay? And it screwed up a lot of indicators. It put this extra whatever in the bottom of some indicators, but it doesn't mean anything. This here line is correct, okay? Never mind what's below it. Just pretend it's not there, okay? So anyway, I think we had a trade set up right here, okay? This is about 3 o'clock, and we got our 10 pips. So there's 10 there. And then our window of opportunity ended up here, okay? So anyway, actually, no, there was another trade maybe right here. No, there wasn't. There was only 4 pips, 7 pips maximum to the top. There was no trade here. So we had one trade. The entry was right here on the 5 minutes after 3 candle, okay? And you got your 12, you got your 10 pips for sure. Okay, so let's move on to the pound. Oh, the pound's very choppy. Buy off support, sell off resistance deal today. Anyway, if you got short, you would have done it like right at 3 o'clock. Okay, there was your entry right there at 3. You would have sold it right there. Your stop would have been about 20 pips at the most, 16 pips. You would have got it. You got 20 pips right there. Okay, did not line up here with the filter. Okay, it lined up here, but I don't think there was. No, there was only 18 pips, and sure enough, they bought right off there again. You need at least 25 pips from your entry to your nearest support or resistance. Okay, then it whipped back up again, turned blue up here. Then by the time it came back and the filter was black again. Yeah, there was a dip to buy here. If you did buy it, it didn't go very far, like 7 pips, and it came back down. So it was not a good day in the pound, I'll have to say. Let's take a quick look at the Swiss. Swiss is probably the exact opposite of the euro. Yeah, it gave the little trade to sell here. It's only about 9 pips. Then it gave a trade to buy up here right afterwards. It was only good for 13 pips. But if you held on to it, it went up a ways, and you would have got your 1-to-1 risk-loss ratio. Your stop was 15. You almost got it there. You definitely would have got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then it quickly turned around, like in the opposite way, like in the U.S. session, just like the euro did. You only could have sold it there, and you would have again, you would have got out right there. See how it made a double bottom? The euro made a double top. It's identical, ladies and gentlemen. I know I keep saying this. If you find a trade on the euro to buy, believe me, you'll have the exact same trade on the Swissy to sell. Whoever they are, the government or whoever's behind this manipulative market, okay, and believe me, it is manipulated. It's manipulated more than you could ever know. They have tagged these two pairs together once again. Okay, it's just, back in the old days, the Swissy would move more than the euro. But today, it's the opposite. It's the euro moves more than the Swiss. Okay, so that's it for the 4XPipSnager setups. Let's take a quick look at UTurn. Okay, UTurn gave us a W right in here. Okay, if you would have sold here, okay, there was 50 pips. Now it's giving a W to buy. And we got the blue filter. Will she go back up? Well, time will tell. And on the pound, there was no trade at all. Okay, no trade here either. We had a nice sharp W right here, but the filter did not agree. Okay, so thanks for listening, and I just want to mention once again, tomorrow is non-farm payroll. That is a trader's holiday. I will not be shooting the videos tomorrow. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week on Monday. Take care.